In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your notes visual in Obsidian. If you've ever opened a note and felt overwhelmed by a wall of text, this workflow will help you turn that same information into a clean, scannable layout that's easier to understand and remember. We'll move from a blank workspace to a visually structured note, keeping everything simple and repeatable so you can use it for any topic. Start by opening Obsidian and loading the vault where you want to work. Take a second to think about where this note belongs. Visual notes are most effective when they live in a consistent place so you can find them later without digging. If you're working across multiple projects or subjects, organizing now will save you time every time you return. Create a new folder to house these visual notes. Name it something clear, like visual notes or the specific project you're working on. The goal is to create a home for notes that share the same structure and purpose, which makes them easier to batch, review, and refine. As you create more, that folder becomes a powerful visual index of your thinking. Inside that folder, create a new note and give it a descriptive title. Think in terms of the big idea you want to communicate, not just a label. If you're using Live Preview, make sure it's enabled so you can see formatting as you write. Keep the note empty for a moment. We're going to build a visual scaffolding first, then fill in content so everything lands in the right place. Add the visual structure at the top of the note. This is your at-a-glance area. Include a one-sentence core idea at the very top, then place a simple visual element right below it. That could be a quick diagram, a simple flow from left to right, a call-out style highlight, or a small embedded image that represents the concept. The goal is to reduce cognitive load. Someone should be able to open this note and grasp the gist within seconds. Keep spacing generous so sections don't crowd each other. Now add your headings. Use one main heading for the note title, then create a few consistent subheadings that you'll reuse across visual notes, such as concept, process, examples, and references or sources. This predictable pattern trains your brain to store and retrieve information more easily. Under each heading, write short, direct statements. Keep paragraphs brief and break up long thoughts so each heading supports a single outcome. Bring your headings and content to life by inserting emojis that signal meaning. A light bulb can mark a concept, a gear can denote a process, and a chain link can point to references or related material. Add them at the start of headings or key lines so your eyes can skim and land on what matters. On Windows, open the emoji picker with the Windows key and period. On Mac OS, press Control, Command, and Space. Use emojis consistently so they act like signposts, not decoration. If you use a local AI assistant like Olema, now's a great time to consult it for clarity. Open it and ask for 2 or 3 visual metaphors, a concise summary sentence for the top of your note, or a simple flow description that fits your process section. Keep prompts focused and copy only what improves clarity. Treat suggestions as drafts, then edit them so they match your voice and understanding. Finally, link this note to related notes. Use internal links so you can jump between connected ideas and let Obsidian surface backlinks automatically. Add links in the context where they matter most, like at the end of an example or in a references section. Over time, these connections turn your vault into a navigable map. If helpful, add a brief related notes line at the bottom to group your most relevant links. That's it. You've created a visual note with a clear structure, meaningful icons, helpful visuals, and smart connections all inside Obsidian. Save this as your go-to format, and you'll think faster, remember more, and find what you need when it counts.